Mama, turn on the TV.
Assalamualaikum and good morning to everyone. I am Michelle Usman and I am hosting today's show. As we all know and observe that from last many days there have been a cold and unhealthy weather. This cold weather disturbs everyone's life. Due to this cold weather, many people get sick. For further discussion on the cold weather in Punjab, Meeraben Minha will join us. Now we will move to Meeraben Minha, who will inform us about the cold weather in Punjab.
Assalamu alaikum and good morning to everyone. I'm your reporter Minha and today we have a special guest on our show, Meerab Khan. Assalamu alaikum Meerab. Please sit down. How are you?
I'm fine and what's about you?
I'm also good. Thank you so much Meerab for giving us your precious time.
My pleasure.
So Meerab, what do you think about this cold weather in Punjab?
As you know, Minha, that the temperature is decreasing day by day and the weather becomes more cold and it is actually harmful for people and the children because it is causing pneumonia in child. There are some measures we should follow to prevent the pneumonia.
Which type of weather would you like to tell to our audience?
First of all, we have to wear warm clothes like jackets, sweaters and wear gloves. And we also drink a lot of soup because it keeps our body clean. It keeps our body warm.
Oh, I understand. Thank you so much, Meera, for giving us the precious time. Now, it's time to take our leave. We will meet you next Sunday. Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself.
It's freezing outside. I cannot stand this cold weather.
Yes, you are right.
Besides the layer burning up and sipping on the hot cocoa in the warm blanket.
Do you know some tip to get warmer?
Definitely the layers you can use a space heater or sweetness snacking up in the warm blanket